Back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add credit or debit card on Temu Shopping App. It's very easy, your payment method. So what we're going to do is we're going to open on the app now. So this is our Temu app. Now once you open on this is where you're going to bring you to the interface directly. Now what you're going to do is click on this your U. Once you click on U, click on this J icon, which is your settings. Then you're going to see your payment method here. Click on your payment method, and here you can see add credit or debit card. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you need to provide your card number here. So I'm going to put my card number. So now just insert your card number here. So we have 50. The number in front of your card, which is your ATM card, just put it there. Once you put it there, make sure you put everything correctly. Put the card number correctly. So once you are done, put your expiring date. The expiring date is down on the page, which is 08/08/25. Like this, click on save. Once you are done, click on the CVV. The CVV, you're going to see it at the back of your ATM card. You will see it there at the back of your ATM card, which is 645. Once you are done like this, you're going to just come here and click on add your card. Once you click on add your card, you can see it's been rolling. My card is going to add. So now this one is not. So you can see there's a problem here. So if you wanted to do, you can just add another card, and it's possible your own goes directly. Maybe there's a problem with my card. That's very easy and how to do it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.